Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thanks for today. And here in this opportunity, I will explain about direct method. The weakness of the blackness of the egg method. This method also approach in the extension word after the grammatical translation method. Direct method is the method that teacher should speak or explain about the material with English or receptor language directly. And then picture, and we can draw a map. And then, what are the teacher rules using this method? The first is communicating using tongue language. So, the first thing in this method is make students who can communicate with target language directly. In this method, teacher gives an example and then asks students to think and to say something directly so students can more explore their mind. And then real inference teacher. Sizing or dispensing in this method is focused on the first teacher. To method. Now, please, I need your help to answer my question. What picture is it? Absolutely right. And then what picture is it? Red. Yes, alright. This is about direct method. So, teacher can show a picture like this, and then ask the student what picture, or maybe any other picture. You can ask what picture and what about the picture. Can say by picture short content or description content, but focusing and grouping from the first term of direct method. In this method, we should use English or sector language directly. Exercise in language skills. First is vocabulary. The emphasizing or focusing of this method is to increase students' vocabulary and then practice. After they get new vocabulary or get something that they have not known before, students have to teachers have to ask students to practice the make a song or make some discussion. And then what is pronunciation? After they make dialogue or conversation, students focus on the pronunciation, so can make or give a correctly pronunciation. Okay? Indirect method. What is reading close? In reading close, students use text or reading a book or reading a story with those things, and then teacher correctly or correct or checking for the student's pronunciation, and then written and student yours answer exercise. Your presentation, teacher gives question and then ask student to answer. Then student solve for it. Anyone know what is the meaning or the conversation that students do not correct? No. In this section, they give students to solve for it. For example, like this, I ask one student to read the text, and then students get a mistake on his or her pronouns about some words, and then with it, I move on to another student to ask him or her, is it true? Who is before? Contohnya seperti ini, misalnya saya menyuruh seorang murid itu untuk membaca sebuah teks atau sebuah kalimat, kemudian tinggalkan murid itu non-method